guys, and welcome to my channel, and today I will teach you how to install voice changer on the Linux. เดี๋ยวแม่อันนี้แป๊บเดียวไม่นานโอเค I talk with my mom, don't care anything. Alright, we will start install. Next, first one you will create a conda environment. Here is copy command and open terminal. Conda env list. Okay, now we will create the conda environment. Everything is success to cloning the repository. Next we will cd to the server directory. Okay, and next we will copy this command pip install -requirements.txt and we will paste. Now in this install package Python from requirements.txt is used a long time. I will skip when this is install Python package successfully. Okay, see you next time. Alright, download Python is success. Now we go to this conda install PyTorch, install torch package, enter. again tomorrow and I will teach you how to use this voice changer tool. Okay. Enter.